weird. We were like glued to the parking spot. Yeah, we definitely left behind a meat puddle. So, yeah, really looking forward to them getting to the washout we're gonna need on this trailer, because there's some foul fluids leaking from this trailer. Very foul indeed. But this might be a drop-in hook, because our directions for this customer say we need to fill up the reefer tank before we go in. Which either means that this customer is a drop-in hook or very slow. So I'm hoping it's a drop-in hook and that it's not just a super slow customer. I guess we're about to find out. There's a church in that trailer. Alright. Thankfully, since we already have our load information, in the app from filling up in Rafine yesterday, it was super quick to just do and get that going again. So we're just going to pull in here, fuel up. This should be far enough to the left that we can just turn right and go right around the scale and out of here, because I'm not going to need to get a receipt. So we don't have to pull straight out of here. We can go right. All right. 895-592. 895-592. 895-592. Gallons. That's about as fast as fueling gets, huh? And I've already got my receipt on my phone. Beautiful. Let's get out of here. Okay. Stop, Maxwell. Drive. Okay. So now we just get back on Interstate 64 going west. Exit 172 is our destination. Customer's right off the freeway. Nice and easy one. Again, no GPS required. I'm trying to wean myself. Get back to old school navigation. not to come down here yesterday more and more. Like the truck parked at Shoney's. When you just really, really need that breakfast. Whoa, I think that Kmart's still open. Holy cow! Dang, nice. I thought all of those had closed already. Weird. Alright, let's see here. What have we got? Welcome to Smithfield. Once again. So we have ourselves an empty trailer. It's time for us to go get this trailer clean. This is a different trailer. It was indeed a drop hook. It makes my life way easier. Maps. Actually, let's just back out of maps entirely, go to driving. Oh, I don't want satellite view. Satellite view uses too much data. Alright, there we go. Hello, Dragonfly. This is neat. This is US Route 60. It's a divided 2-lane highway. That's something you don't see terribly often. We are looking for a BP up ahead. There it is. That was easy. Nice and easy. That car coming down the road swerve like crazy. Blue box truck. So I assume that's that guy. I think you're meant to nose in here. Interesting. Alright. Time to figure this out. Boy, that's a lot of traffic. We got our trailer washed and we got our next load dispatched. We need to get up and get to it. We're going up to Wellston, Ohio, back to the General Mills Pillsbury factory plant thing. Probably to pick up some more pizza rolls or something along those lines. It's usually a pizza product there. Yeah, I got time to make this right turn.
Head southwest on US 60 West. In 1,000 feet, take the I-64 West ramp.
You need to be not satellite. Thank you.
Take the I-64 West ramp.
Alright, so we're relying a little bit.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-64 West.
A little bit on Google and a lot of bit on Prime to tell us how to get to the customer the best way from here. Because normally I would go up 35, but we're pretty far west of the 35-64 split. So we really need a more direct route, which means state highways. folks, we are done for the night. Customer took a nice long time to load the trailer, so we're going to be spending the night at this little truck stop just around the corner from them. We picked up at the General Mills here before, so you can see that in a couple other videos. They don't allow recording on site anymore, so we didn't record anything at the customer, but you know, we are parked. Also, yeah, I know that road coming here was not great. Don't worry, we're exiting by US 35, which is a great road, so no more backcountry Ohio highways for us on this particular trip. I am very disappointed in Ohio 139. It was not nearly as truck friendly as Prime led me to believe. So that's good to know. We can't really rely on them. I forgot to change to sleeper berth. Whoops. That's fine. That's fine. We'll just fix that. Edit, split, And make that half sleeper, half on duty. That's perfect. Alright, and I am fixing my logs. Perfect. Okay. There we go. We've been here for long enough. So this place has the closest cat scale to our customer, and conveniently they also have about 15 parking spaces, so we're in one of those. It's a dirt lot, but it's not bad. Supposedly this place has really good pizza, so we're gonna go maybe grab a slice of that. I try at little independent truck stops like this, even though it's owned by Exxon, it's still kind of an indie truck stop. I do try and spend money in the stores when I park here for the night, especially if it's a place like this that doesn't charge. So we got a cat scale ticket, and I'm gonna go buy us a little bit of food inside. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's ElioDare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like, subscribe, or tossing a comment below the videos. I do read all the comments. And Twitter, of course, is the best place to get a hold of me, at ElioDare. No apostrophe in the username, so yeah, you'll find it. You can search with the apostrophe. I still come up. Well, there's lots of other Odares, it turns out. I'm not as unique as I thought. Apparently there's a character in the Hunger Games with the last name Odare, spelled almost the same as mine, but without the E or the apostrophe. So, yeah, that's annoying. That really clogs up the search results sometimes. But I digress. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. We're heading for Denver. Love Denver.